So recently, a lot of YouTubers have gotten their channel demonetized, especially those who use AI to create their videos. Now, the reason is simply because YouTube see that video as sloppy or inauthentic. Now, how can you make your video more original or authentic so that it will not, lose monetization if you monetize or if you plan to be monetized? Simple. Use voiceover. Use your voice. But if your voice is as cracked as mine, don't worry. Don't worry. Use this app. This app can solve that issue. All right. This app is called ElevenLabs. Right. Now let me show you. Let me quickly show you how you can use it. All right. Now please follow along. First of all, you should have gotten your script. Your script is that words, right, that make up your video that you want people to talk. That thing that you want them to be saying. All right. Now you should have gotten that. Now come here to 11 Lab. You can use the free version if you don't have one to get the pro. Right? Good. Come to here, then click on text to speech. Click on text to speech. All right. Then paste. Let's say that this is a voiceover. Let's say that this is a voiceover. This one I type here. Just paste it. All right. Paste your voiceover. Then on this place that is, you see this blue. This is somebody's name I used recently. This is someone I used recently. Now click on it. All right. Then you see variety. You can see variety of names or um, people you can use. They have different voices. All right. Now go to show more. Click on show more. You can choose your language. All right. Mine is English. Let's go to language. Choose a language. All right. Apply. They have a lot of language. Okay. Then choose accent. All right. Let's say I choose which accent should I choose now? All right. For the purpose, let me just choose American accent. All right. Let me choose American accent. All right. Good. Apply. All right. Then they will give me a lot of options to choose from. Now, again, category. How do you want the person to sound? Conversational, like an advertisement? You want the person to be informative, educational? Well, I like narrative story. Now let's use narrative. Let's apply. All right. Now, good. Now let me listen to Emma. Let's see. Let's listen to Emma. Then click on it on the person you want to listen to.
Warm, calm female voice, perfect for storytelling, e-learning, news, and audiobooks. Clear, engaging, and
Okay. Let's
easy
see
to listen.
Natasha.
I hope this voice sounds really good so that people will want to use it for their projects. If it doesn't sound good, I'm going to be so upset.
I love it. I love it. I love it. You sound good. All right. So let's use this lady, Natasha. Very good. Now, good. We have picked Natasha now. All right. I hope you also love that. Now, let's generate this now. Let's generate this. All right. For practical purpose. Generate. Natasha, let's do this.
How are you doing, my friend? Hope you are good.
Okay. Good. 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 So you see, she sounds very, very human, not like an AI. This is what we want. This is how to protect your channel, all right, from demonetization, especially if you are building for long term.